on today's episode, we'll be installing a K Member that I just got. I went to PTSFAB, I have the K Member. It allows you to mount up the strange rack and pinion. I know I haven't showed you guys a lot about the car, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the car, and then I'm going to show you the K Member, the motor, the transmission, and the steering rack that I have. Okay, YouTube, so this is the K Member that I was speaking on. All you have to do, you have to belt them back here. Those spots right there will be where your control arms go. That'll be where your control arms go. And then the two tabs in the front here and here will belt to the bottom of the frame. And that's where the strange rack and pinion will mount. So this is currently how the car looks. I cut that out a while ago. The piece to that is right here. I was gonna just do a tube, but I just said forget it. I'll just cut it all out, and I'll run a motor plate that I got here. I got the front and rear motor plate for the LS motor. So this here is the K Member, not K Member. This here is the steering rack and pinion. I also have the bolts to go here and there, and I have the bolts to go to mount it up there also. Also have a bracket that holds it here, so I'll be showing you guys that. So just I'm gonna cut you guys back on. What I have to do is I need to get the control arms off the top, unbolt it, and then unbolt the lower control arm, and also unbolt the shock thing that I have here so that I can take that out. All right, YouTube, so all I gotta do now, I got the control arms out of there. I just need to cut this section right here off, all of that there, and on the other side, and then I'll cut you guys back on once I get that done. All right, YouTube, I have the K Member in. The only thing has happened next is I have to take it back off so I have to take it back off so that I can clean up the areas that I need to weld, like here, back there, there, and right here. So I'll cut you guys back on once I get it all cleaned down and install it back in and start welding. All right, YouTube, as you can see here, I got the K Member in, have the steering rack attached to both sides of the steering knuckles. As you can see, I had a dirty day today. I'm doing a lot of welding, grinding, painting, everything to get this car done. I just want to thank everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and recommend this video to someone that might be working on a G-body or just a DIY person that like to see people work on cars. Again, thanks for watching.